Hello, good evening. We are here in the Mall of Emirates together with my friends. Today is my off, so we're gonna go meet my friends here in Mall of Emirates. This is all my friends, Mirasol and Sheila. So we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna sit there and talk all my friends like that. See, this is the Mall of Emirates. This one is the big bus stop. This one. And all people behind me just walking. Everyone is all busy. Ewan ko nasan si Samira. Tawagan din si Samira. Ito, ang ganda ng mga paninda dito. This is nice. This is my kabayan. Hi, kabayan! How are you, kabayan? So you see all Filipina here, so many. See? Saan ka pupunta, be?
Dito lang,
kami rin, sama kasama. Mag-ikot-ikot din kami. Magandang mag-ikot pagkasamang mga kaibigan. Oh la la. Let's go there. English speaking lang ako Nakapag-English. So open the door. I'm gonna go down. So this is I'm gonna show you the park, okay? This is all the park. This is ayan, papakita ko po sa inyo yung mga this is a part of Mall of Emirates. So every time when we are going to we have a day off, so we are going here in the Mall of Emirates. This one, you can see that too many people is here. I will show you guys. This is small. This one is small river. See? And we left the metro station. Hello guys, this is the Mall of Emirates. You can see my memories life. We are all my friends. We are staying here, sitting, eating, and drinking some juice or drinks or what else. See, you can see all the Filipino and some black people. There's all people here. See. So many people here. Okay guys, I show you already the place of here Mall of Emirates. So we're gonna meet my friends. They will come after 30 minutes. Okay, thank you very much guys. This is Barbie, so please subscribe my channel, like. Thank you very much. Oh, this time.
Ayaw, nainis ako sa kanya. Bahala ko din. Basta gawa sa ulit.
These all people here in Emirates. Mirasol.